Yueqing FEILEI Cabinet Lock Company Limited is a modern enterprise company and specializes in manufacture cabinet lock, hinge, handle, and other hardware products. Our company pursues the enterprise spirit of crisis, innovation, commitment, promotes the enterprise culture and management level unceasingly, wins the high praise of the customer with the good faith. Let the commitment run through all aspects of the enterprise. The products sell well in all provinces and cities of the country and are exported to South Korea, Europe, and the United States. Gold quality, safety, and security. The company based on the quality of the market. From the details of the pursuit of quality perfection, innovation as the core power, and make each locks meet the needs of customers. To provide you with specialty customized products, our company's faster and better development is based on our technical level at home and abroad processing and testing equipment. Provide guarantee for the quality of your products. Also, we have the hard-working and passionate team. The company's future development direction is continue to develop better and more comprehensive products, expand production scale, improve the company's management system, maintain long-term good relations of cooperation with customers. Thanks for your support for a long time of Yueqing FEILEI Cabinet Lock Company Limited.